HOGGI would like to present their newest product. SHARKY, the versatile shower and toilet wheelchair. The SHARKY is a sharply designed product with a slim design and is equipped with comfortable polyurethane padding. All metal parts are made of stainless steel and powder-coated aluminium. Easy one-handed operation allows the seat tilt angle to be adjusted between 45 degrees and -10 degrees in 12 increments. The back can be reclined independent of the seat angle between 72 degrees and 120 degrees in 8 increments. To adjust the seat depth, first loosen the nut indicated. The seat can then be adjusted to individuals' needs. The removable insert at the back of the seat is standard equipment and allows quick and easy access for hygiene care. The seat width is adjustable by using different hip pads. The SHARKY shower and toilet base can be adjusted to various heights for over the toilet and use in the shower. The gas spring-assisted height adjustment can be locked in 4 positions. The footboard is adjustable in angle, as well as adjustable in height. Six knee angle positions between 78 degrees and 138 degrees are possible to accommodate varying knee angle requirements. The footrest hanger is attached to the seat and can be removed quickly and without the use of tools. Reattachment is done in the same simple way. Also removable, the entire back can be easily pulled out. SHARKY is also foldable with seat unit attached, so it is easy to store. To do so, first fold up the footplate and tilt the seat forward into an anterior slope angle. Place the right lower pin in the unlocked position. When the left pin is pulled, the folding mechanism is released. Finally, fold down the back for the smallest size for storage. Do not forget to re-engage the locking pin at the end of the process. By detaching the seat unit before folding, an even smaller folded size can be obtained. Regarding the detachable seat, it can be easily removed from the base by using quick-release levers. When it is reinstalled, the seat audibly clicks into place. For use in the bath, the subframe is first placed in the tub with the suction cups. Then the seat can be installed. The extremely slim design means the SHARKY can be used in almost all tubs. In addition, the seat angle can be preset to 0 degrees, 6 degrees, or 12 degrees. The same applies for the toilet adapter. After the adapter plate has been installed on the toilet as required by the individual, the desired seat angle can now also be set. The frame can now be adjusted in depth or pulled off to the front to ensure ordinary use of the toilet. Different wheel sizes can be selected. Stable push handle for optimal maneuverability. Height adjustable and multi-axis headrest with water-repellent polyurethane padding. Lateral pads are not only adjustable in the angle, but also in width and in height. In addition, the pads can be swung away. SHARKY offers a wide range of harness and support systems, such as chest-shoulder harness, lap belt with or without neoprene pads, pelvic retraction belt, calf support, and ankle huggers. Of course, height-adjustable and removable armrests are also available as an option, which also serve as carrier for the ventral upper body support. An abduction block guarantees a stable sitting position and can be swung away or removed for an easy transfer. Tapered rails on the bottom ensure optimum hold of the toilet bucket, even when tilted. Finally, the splash guard can be easily inserted in the seat. HOGGI, partnering together to mobilize kids.